What's up everybody, welcome to Bali. We didn't do a lot of special activities here, but I still want to show you the Bali life. So this is just the best of the 3 weeks we spent here. Check it out. This is the best breakfast place. To get my bowl! Another morning, another beach, having my little beach run at Canggu Bali. So nice, all the surfers out there. Today is not the best day in terms of waves, but still super nice every day having this. What's up everybody, meeting the stars right here, look at that! How's it going? Hi!
Man, pleasure.
Nice to meet you, man.
Hey man,
What's up? Doing great, man. Awesome. Alex,
Hey, how you
look
doing?
at that. Awesome. There we go. A little short explanation. We came to Bali yesterday. I saw on Instagram a post of one of those guys, and they're doing this event right here. Which is basically a seminar, a free seminar they do. Yeah, and I'm super excited what they're gonna share, and definitely gonna share that with you too. So,
Alexi, Parker, and Riker, the CEO and founders of High on Life and Jetsetterboss. Come on in, fellas!
welcome everybody. Welcome everyone. Thank you, Rhonda. You're amazing.
right there, this is how you do it. This is the networking event, like all provided for free. This is super cool. Look at where this event is taking place. We're in Bali, in Canggu Bali, learning something. Those guys are super cool. I just had a great talk with Alexi. He and Rink were doing all the business stuff that I'm super interested in. So was the Jetsetterboss workshop. Not really a long or tough day. It was fun, it was cool, it was interesting. Very good information there. Super cool people. This is what I can definitely say. Met up with the guys of High on Life again. I just heard what we're gonna do today, and this is gonna be super fun because we're doing coconut bowling. Look at that. Alright, we're done here with the shoot. This is how it all looks now. We've had a great time, it was super fun. Get a little taste of that life, of that feeling of being paid for super cool shit. Last shot after hour at the villa of the guys. Awesome day. Great fun. I didn't expect that to happen today, but it was awesome. So, gonna have some fun.
No, listen up. This guy came out of nowhere and he helped us, and it was awesome. And it's great to meet a new friend. And that's the best thing about traveling, meeting new people, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
There we go. Bye bye.
Cool, welcome to Finns. Have to come here. Yeah.
Yeah, somebody who knows.